Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on smart downloads on YouTube. So you want to first head over to youtube.com, sign into your account, and on the left hand side, you want to look for downloads. So scroll down on the U section, you'll find downloads. You click on that. Here you'll find all your downloads, and here at the top, you'll see it says smart download turn on. You click on turn on, and you will now have smart download turned on for you on YouTube. And you can see right there that is currently showing something waiting for downloading, right? So you can see other things that is going on. Now, what actually this is, smart download basically, well, smartly download things for you on YouTube. As you can see, it currently downloaded some stuff for me that I can actually watch, right? And that's what's currently going on right there. And I want to mention to you though, if you don't know what it's required for you to have smart download, this requires you to have YouTube Premium. So if you don't have YouTube Premium, then you won't be able to download any videos directly on YouTube. And to get YouTube Premium, you can just go ahead and log into your account, and on the left hand side, you should see option on the left side that allows you to basically register for YouTube Premium, or if you basically search for anything on YouTube, any video whatsoever that you want to watch on YouTube, you click on that video. And once you're watching the video, you want to look to the bottom right of that video. You have the options, you'll find downloads. You will click on this, and if you have YouTube Premium, it will download for you. If not, once you click on download, you'll get a pop-up. It's going to say that you need to have YouTube Premium in order to download. So guys, again, let me show you one last time. Once you log into YouTube, find downloads on the left side, and you will find the smart downloads at the top. And that's pretty much it. So guys, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button.